Good morning and namaskar. This is the third monetary policy statement of the current financial year. The first set of announcements relate to regulatory measures in respect of cooperative banks. Considering the importance of cooperative banks in promoting inclusive growth, three measures are being announced for the cooperative banking sector. One, the limits for individual housing loans being extended by urban cooperative banks and rural cooperative banks, which are basically state cooperative banks and district central cooperative banks, which were last fixed in 2011 and 2009 respectively, are being revised upwards by over 100%, taking into account the increase in house prices. This will facilitate better flow of credit to the housing sector. The second point relating to UCBs, the cooperative banking sector, the second announcement is that in line with the dispensation available to scheduled commercial banks and urban cooperative banks, it is now proposed to permit rural cooperative banks, and they consist of, as I mentioned, state cooperative banks and district central cooperative banks, to extend finance. So we are permitting the rural cooperative banks to extend finance to commercial real estate, that is residential housing. And this will be basically loans for residential housing projects within the existing aggregate housing finance limit of 5% of their total assets. This measure will further augment credit flows from the cooperative banks to the housing sector. The third measure in respect of cooperative banks is that we have decided to permit urban cooperative banks to extend doorstep banking services to their customers. This will enable the urban cooperative banks to meet the needs of their customers, especially the senior citizens and the differently abled.